Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, one of the most awaited fan edition smartphones of 2025. Let's dive into the Texas pricing and the full specifications. Starting with the price. The 128GB model with 8GB of RAM is expected at $649. The 256GB version comes in at around $709. With local taxes in Texas, you can expect the final price to be slightly higher. Now let's look at the main specs. A 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, full HD plus resolution, and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Powered by the Exynos 2400 processor, paired with 8GB of RAM and either 128 or 256 gigs of storage. On the back, a triple camera setup, a 50-megapixel main lens with optical image stabilization, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and an 8-megapixel telephoto with 3x zoom. For selfies, you get a 12-megapixel front camera. The battery is 4,900 mAh, with 45-watt fast charging and 15-watt wireless charging support. And for durability, IP68 water and dust resistance, plus Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection. On the software side, it launches with Android 16 and One UI 8, along with Galaxy AI features like Gemini Live. So, the Galaxy S25 FE offers a balanced mix of flagship features, sleek design, and competitive pricing. That's all for today's update on the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. Don't forget to like this audio, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.